Ayan, sir. Good afternoon po,
Good afternoon.
Sir Noni. How does it feel po working with Alden Richards as a director naman po?
Si Alden is a very kind, patient, and calm person. So it works very well for him to be directing and acting at the same time, because hindi siya madaling mataranta. So how is it? It's quite a pleasant experience.
Kumbaga sir, as a first timer po, no, nakita niyo po paano po siya mag-direct.
Yeah, and as a first timer, of course, ang maganda doon is that he's very open to many ideas, and a director naman is not all about dictating what should happen.
Yes.
So it's really more of like he's able to collaborate and put things together based on what his artists can give to him to be able to kung paano yung makakapag-contribute dun sa final product, which is the film.
Ano po yung role niyo po dito sa film, sir? Ano po yung role po ninyo?
Ako yung tatay niya.
Okay. So first time po ninyong maka-work si Sir Alden?
Si Alden, naka-work ko na siya.
Okay.
In some TV show, I think. Oo. Meron na kami nagawang TV show for tape a long time ago.
Okay. So, ano po yung nagpa-yes sa inyo, sir, to accept this role?
Well, number one, it's work. Yeah.
Yes,
and and I am lucky I accept all types of work as an actor.
Kumbaga, sir,
But I'm lucky kasi maganda yung role, maganda yung
Yeah.
kasulat. Yeah.
Napapansin ko, sir, hindi po kayo nababakante. So very blessed po kayo.
Nababakante din naman.
Yes.
Lumalabas lang palagi.
Opo, sa ibang network. Any upcoming shows po, sir, aside from this movie?
Ito pa lang yung sigurado. There are a lot of prospects for next year, but in the business, it's never sure until it starts.
Yes, of course po. Alam ko, sir, kasama po kayo sa Love Die Repeat.
Yun.
Yes,
nalabas na yun.
January 2024.
Nagawa na namin yung work, and so now they're doing post-prod, and then it will come out when?
January, sir, 2024.
Ayun.
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir, as a fan of Jenilyn Mercado, how does it feel po working with her?
Jenilyn, I'm so very lucky to be working with her kasi Jenilyn is a very kind soul, very kind person, and very comfortable. Very comfortable to work with her.
Yeah. First time niyo pong naka-work si Miss Jen?
Hindi, nakatrabaho
several
pa
na.
rin siya. Sa isang serye before, tapos meron din kami ginawang MMK when she was 16 or 17,
okay.
16, 17.
Thank you very much, sir, and good luck po sa film.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, sir.